Hi traders. As you already know, on my website you can find a page that's called myfxbook live, and I started to do some live trading for you 1 year ago, and I put all the trades on myfxbook and you can follow that live. First I started with a $100 account, and it was a test, a challenge, if I can actually grow a $100 account, which is a very small amount of deposit, and most traders believe that it is impossible to trade with that because they always blow their accounts. Now that account is almost 1 year old, and it is now at more than 350% gain without any scalping technique and any dangerous technique. It is just a good old-fashioned strategy with swing and trend trading, and I hold positions for multiple days or even weeks or sometimes even months, and this way it managed to make 350% gain. Now from that small account that is, traders believe that is dangerous to trade with, but if you are in your right mind, if you are in the right mindset, if you follow your own strategy, you can grow a small account as well. Of course, you can't make millions of dollars, but you are not a crazy person. Or maybe you are, but if you want to be a trader, you have to think like a machine. And this is the reason why I trade with my robots and manually on these accounts that I published on my myfxbook. So I trade like 50%, 50% with my EAs, 3 EAs on the $100 account and 2 EAs on the $1,000 account that I started half year ago. Now that is at 98% gain, and that is pretty good in my opinion. The drawdown is a bit high, but it is a higher risk account, not a crazy high risk, because I don't use any scalping techniques or any dangerous methods. I only use swing trading and trend trading, but I use a slightly higher lot per trade, per equity, than I use that I usually use. So it is actually triple the amount of risk that I actually use in my trading accounts, but it is more interesting for me this way, and because I usually use only 0.5% per trade, but that is so low that it is, I think, it is not interesting for my myfxbook, and it is not a challenge for me. But to trade with a higher risk, it is a challenge, and to actually manage an account with a bit higher stress environment. So now I want to announce that the $1,000 account, I actually published a signal on myfxbook's signal service where you can follow that live account. It is, I just say it because many traders ask me on Telegram and an email if I have some signal service or something like that, and I didn't have that, but now I started to allow traders to follow that account. And so if you are interested, you can follow my live trades menu on my website, and I put the link in the description as well. It is basically a swing/trend trader account. I trade 50% with EAs and 50% manually. Now it is at exactly 98.5% gain and 24.9% drawdown. That's a pretty good ratio. I started with $1,000 and now it is at plus more than $900 profit. For some, some more statistics, this is a half-year-old account, and now I have 84 trades, and I hold trades approximately on average for 5 days. It means that sometimes I close the trades, or my bots close the trades in like 1 hour, and sometimes for even they are holding it for like 1 or 2 months. I think the maximum was 2.5 months. That was a kind of an unusual situation, but that was one of the best trade of all time with this account, on this account. So the trades per month number is 17, and the monthly gain is now at approximately 14%. That is pretty good in my opinion. And so if you are interested in this account and you want to follow it, I can recommend it because it is pretty safe. It has higher risk than with my own trading, or that I recommend to use with my robots. But of course you can use lower lot sizes and lower equity per trade on your own account than what I use. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question about this topic or any question about trading, you can tell me in the comments or in email or on Telegram or on Instagram. I don't know. Yeah.